Assalamualaikum. Welcome all to Easy Human Anatomy channel. In this video I discuss white fat or white adipocyte. White adipocyte is white to yellowish white in color. They are the large cells, sometimes 100 micrometer and more in diameter. This is the white adipocyte. This is the brown adipocyte. White adipocyte contain unilocular fat, and white adipocyte contain few poorly developed mitochondria. White adipocyte spherical to polyhedral and oval in shape, and it contain unilocular fat debris which wash out during histological preparation and leave a empty space. This is the thin ring of the cytoplasm which contain spherical and flattened nuclei. The shape of the cell is signet ring shaped cell. This is the fat droplets. This is thin ring of the cytoplasm which contain different organelles, and this is the nuclei of the white adipocyte. White adipocyte contain Golgi complex, few purely developed mitochondria, poorly developed cistern of the rough endoplasmic reticulum, few polyribosome, numerous pinocytic vesicle, and the lipid droplet contain cistern of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. White adipocyte is predominantly found in adult in subcutaneous tissue, breast, gateromentum, orbital cavity, visceral pericardium, rectoperitoneal space, and bone marrow. White adipocyte contain less capillary because it consumes less oxygen. The development of the white adipocyte. White adipocyte develop from the mesenchymal stem cell which is converted into adipoblast. This adipocyte is converted into pre-adipocyte. Pre-adipocyte is converted into committed white pre-adipocyte, and this cell is converted into white adipocyte. Some of the pre-adipocyte is converted into the chromated brown pre-adipocyte, which is converted into inducible brown adipocyte. The uncoupling protein genes belong to the superfamily of the electron transport carrier of the mitochondrial inner membranes are not expressed in white adipocyte. These uncoupling protein genes are expressed in brown fat. This is the electron microscopic picture of the white adipocyte, and this is brown adipocyte. This is the uncoupling protein immunostaining. You see the brown adipocyte is stained by the uncoupling immunostaining, but white adipocyte is not stained by the uncoupling protein immunostaining. The lipolysis and thermogenesis is regulated by the sympathetic innervation in both white and brown adipocyte respectively. White adipocyte contain less unmyelinated sympathetic nerve. Sympathetic innervation regulates the cascade of lipolysis to convert stored triglyceride to free fatty acid and glycerol that can be used as a fuel of the other tissue. White adipocyte make up about 15 to 20% of the body mass in men of normal weight. It represented 20 to 25% of the body mass in women of normal weight. The response to environmental stress, cold exposure, white adipocyte decrease lipogenesis, increase lipoprotein lipase activity. White adipocyte growth and differentiations continue throughout the life from the stromal vascular cell. The function of the white adipocyte, it acts as a metabolic energy storage, insulation, cushioning of the vital organ, secretion of the hormone, source of metabolic water. So this is all about the white adipocyte or white fat. If you like this video, please press the like button and please subscribe my channel.